Hi everyone. Welcome back to another exciting money origami tutorial. Today we're going to fold a cute money origami bird using real dollar bills. This design is simple, fun, and creative, making it perfect as a gift, decoration, or just to show off your origami skills. Let's get started and create this beautiful bird together. Step 1. Attach 3 bills to form a square. First, take 3 bills and attach them together to form a perfect square. Origami tip. Be sure to align the edges neatly to form a clean square. This will make your folds crisp and easy to manage. Step 2. Fold in half and fold the sides to the center. Now fold the square in half and open it. Then fold the 2 side edges toward the center line. This will help create the base for the bird's body and wings. Origami tip. Make sure the folds meet evenly in the middle for a neat, symmetrical shape. Step 3. Fold the top corners and the sides inward. Next, fold the top corners down and fold the sides inward to create a narrower shape. This helps shape the bird's wings and head. Origami tip. Press your folds firmly to create sharp lines, giving the bird a clean, structured look. Step 4. Fold the tail. Now, take the bottom section and fold it upward to create the tail of the bird. You can adjust the size of the tail depending on how long you want it to be. Origami tip. A longer tail gives your bird a more elegant look, while a shorter tail keeps it compact and neat. Step 5. Fold the body. Now, fold the middle section to create the body of the bird. You can make the body wider or thinner, depending on your preferences. Step 6. Fold the wings. Now, take the side edges and fold them out to form the wings of the bird. Try to fold them at a slight angle for a more dynamic look. Origami tip. Make sure the wings are even and properly shaped for a balanced look. Step 7. Fold the head. Finally, fold the top part to form the head of the bird. You can shape the head to be more pointed or rounded, depending on the look you want to achieve. Step 8. Done. And there you have it, your very own money origami bird. It's simple, cute, and perfect for a gift or decoration. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to share how your money origami bird turned out. See you next time for more fun and creative origami projects. Money origami, origami bird, dollar origami, easy origami, origami gift, creative origami.